Welcome to part 2 of 31 living room design ideas you need to see. In this video, we continue to showcase stunning living room design inspiration that will help you transform your space into a stylish and functional heaven. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to show you these amazing images in 4K 60 frames per second of these elegant, exquisite and luxurious living rooms. Let's get started. From trendy color schemes to clever furniture arrangements, get ready to be inspired by the latest trend in interior design. Whether you are looking to revamp your current living room or simply seeking ideas for a future makeover, this video is packed with valuable insights and tips that will elevate your home decor game. So, sit back, relax, and let the creativity flow as we explore 31 more living room design ideas that are sure to impress. As in the first part, we will step into the world of luxury and elegance with 31 stunning living rooms featuring modern contemporary design. From sleek furniture to stylish decor, each room showcases exquisite taste and sophistication. Like this design idea from this image, unique furniture items, sofas, coffee table, and ottomans add character to the overall decor. A contemporary and cool living room can make your home feel modern, sleek, and trendy. Embrace natural light by keeping windows clear and of heavy drapes and using light, airy curtains instead. And don't be afraid to play with patterns by mixing stripes, florals, and solids for a visually stimulating space. Just have a look at this gorgeous sofa, the two adorable coffee tables, and the area rug with a modern 3D pattern. A Nordic style living room like this one from the image can make your home feel calm, clean, and neat. The secret is to use a light, soft color combination of green, gray, and beige, and add some modern furniture elements such as a rounded edge, sofas, stylish coffee table, and well-chosen decorative items such as a large modern painting, ceramic vases, and indoor plants. Like in our first part, I will end my presentation with a fabulous, eclectic living room that can make your home interior feel luxurious and trendy. The key is to create a focal point with a stunning fireplace, high-quality items, and a clever furniture arrangement. And that wraps up our tour of the top 31 living room design ideas you absolutely needed to see. If you enjoyed this decor extravaganza, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fabulous room transformations. Remember, whether you are a minimalist maven or a pattern clashing enthusiast, your living room is a canvas for your creativity. So grab those throw pillows, unleash your inner designer, and make a space that's uniquely yours. Before you click away, hit the bell icon to stay updated because next time we are diving into the world of other home interiors and how to turn them into your personal paradise. Until then, keep rearranging, stay inspired, and as always, laugh at the furniture assembly instruction. They are more like guidelines anyway, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue to make home design a journey and not just a destination. Keep living large in your living room, friends. Bye for now.